So that's in Louisville, Kentucky.
Okay.
That happens every March. And that's where everybody that's been building their custom project trucks reveals their build at Matt's. And so it's like having the Super Bowl first in a way. It's like everybody goes out there and you show your project at the biggest event first, and then there's a show circuit. I mean, there's a whole thing where guys go from one show to the next, and once a month, all through the summer.
Are they still working and hauling with these trucks too? Or?
A lot of them are.
Okay.
If they're going to be on the show circuit, they'll probably be in the limited mileage class. But there's different classes for all that stuff, and so there's classes for what age the truck is at. You know,